Hello everyone, this is Lews Auto in Thornburg, Virginia. Today we have UU228. This is a 2003 Hyundai Sonata. It has a 2.7 V6 engine and automatic transmission. Came to us with a bad engine to it. The timing belt has broken, so it does not run, but we will go ahead and get it turned on and test out some components for you while we are here. So we'll go ahead and take a walk around the vehicle. Really good body for this vehicle. Whoever had it was taking great care of it. Looks like it's got some fresh tires to it. Just a couple dings down the door, but nothing too crazy or out there. Here, we'll go ahead. We'll hop on in and test out some of the features that it has. So since it's not running, first thing I'm going to do is get the windows down for you guys. All right, so this is driver's side window test. I think that works just fine. I'll turn that off. Over here. That works. Looks like all that works just fine. Show you the mileage real quick. 187,952 miles on it. Hop over to the mirrors. Looks like that works good. Looks like that works just fine. The heater AC control was on. It is in Celsius. I'm assuming there's a way to change it to Fahrenheit. So pretty cool graphics on this thing. So it looks like everything works just fine on it. We'll turn it back off. Radio, so we got some, yep, looks like we got radio to it also. I'll show you this. I'm not sure if anybody has issues with theirs. Power antenna, radio off, power antenna going down. Turn the radio on, show you coming up too. Radio on. Looks like all that works really well too. Alright, we're gonna go ahead, we'll test out this sunroof for you real quick, and then we'll call it a day. So we'll open it. Close it. Up, down. Yeah, so it looks like all that works. So again, this is UU228, my 2003 Hyundai Sonata with the V6 engine. Bad engine, a lot of good other parts on it. You guys need anything, please call Lews. And again, it has 187,952. All right, guys, thank you, and God bless.